Welcome everyone. This is Sasitra, Assistant Professor, Department of EEE, KSR College of Engineering. In this video, we'll see the basics of transformer, single phase transformer. This is detailed syllabus of transformer. And transformer works based on Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. So this induced EMF, how EMF is induced by electromagnetic induction, we have seen in the last video itself. And the transformer, it is a static device. Why transformer is called a static device means there is no mechanical movements, there is no moving parts in the transformer. That's why it is called a static device. So transformer does not convert energy from one form to another form. Instead, the electrical energy is transferred from one circuit to another circuit without any direct electrical connections. So that's why it is called a transformer, transforming energy from one circuit to another circuit. That's why it is called named as a transformer. So this is done with the help of a mutual induction between two windings. So the working principle of transformer is mainly based on Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. Actually, mutual induction between two or more windings is responsible for transformer action in an electrical transformer. This figure shows the diagram of a transformer. So it has a primary winding and a number of turns are named as N suffix P, NP turns, and the primary current is named as IP, and the primary voltage is named as Vp. Similarly, we have a secondary. Here it is named as turns is Ns, current is Is, and secondary voltage is Vs. So due to the mutual induction, so a primary current IP is passed through the primary winding. There will be a flux setup in the primary winding. This flux passes through the magnetic core. It is a magnetic circuit, magnetic path, and it links with the coil, secondary coil, and it induces a EMF in the secondary coil. So due to this induced EMF, we have a voltage Vs. So this is the basic principle of operation of a transformer. And the main constructional parts of a transformer are primary winding, magnetic core, secondary winding. So primary winding produces magnetic flux when it is connected with the electrical source. If we supply any electrical source to the primary winding, it induces a flux. And magnetic core, this acts as a path for the flow of flux. So the magnetic flux produced by the primary winding will pass through this low reluctance path linked with the secondary winding and creates a closed magnetic circuits. And secondary winding, the flux produced by the primary winding passes through the core, will link with the secondary winding. This winding is also wound on the same core and gives the desired output of the transformer. The construction of a simple two-winding transformer consists of each winding being wound on a separate link or core of the soft iron form, which provides the necessary magnetic circuit. So this magnetic circuit, commonly known as transformer core, it is designed to provide a path for the magnetic field to flow around, which is necessary for induction of the voltage between two windings. The efficiency of a simple transformer construction can be improved by bringing the two windings within close contact with each other, thereby improving the magnetic coupling. And the transformer classified based on the construction, it is classified into three types: core type, cell type, berry type. According to supply, it is classified into two categories: single phase transformer, three phase transformer. And based on operation, it is classified into step up transformer, step down transformer. According to the application, it is classified into power transformer, distribution transformer, isolation transformer, and instrumentation transformer. And according to windings, two winding transformer and three winding transformer. This is the transformer classification. And this is picture shows the core type transformer. In core transformer, the windings are given to a considerable part of the core. The coil used for this transformer are form wound and are of cylindrical type. Such a type of transformer can be applicable for small sized and large sized transformers. And this is picture of core type transformer, single phase core type and three phase core type transformer. And next one is shell type transformer. In shell type transformer, the core surrounds a considerable portion of the windings. The comparison is shown in the figure below. The coils are form wound but are multi-layer disc type, usually wound in the form of a pancakes. This is shell type transformer pictures. This is there are three cores. The core has three limbs. Both the windings are placed on the central limb. The core encircles most of the windings. And last one is berry type transformer. These type transformers are generally kept in tightly fitted sheet metal tanks. The tanks are constructed of specific high quality steel plate cut, formed and welded into the rigid structures. All the joints are painted with a solution of light blue chalk with turns dark in the presence of oil, disclosing even the minute leaks. So this is all about transformer basics. So these are all the three pictures of core type, shell type and berry type. And application of transformer, single phase power distribution it is used, and step up for transmission purpose, similarly step down for transmission purpose, and power transformers, booster applications, voltage stabilizers, electronic products like TV, DVD player, AM, everywhere a transformer is used. And thank you.